Roll it back, buddy. No, don't give it to her. Roll it back.
Now you have to move him.
Get the ball. Now roll it back. Roll it, Aiden. Hold it to Sissy. Yeah, give it to Jenny. Yay. Good job. Whoops. See, that was a bad roll, didn't he?
Now can you move him where it's supposed to be?
He can give it back to you from there. Roll it back, Aiden. I don't think he said that. Oh, he says, here, Jenny, I was going to give it to you. There you go. And roll it back.
Right back.
Oh.
You silly.
Who's chasing who?
He's chasing me, that's my friend.
Run, Aiden, run! She's going to get you. Oh, he's back in the dining room. Go, Aiden, go! Crash. Here she comes. Okay, now Aiden, chase Jenny.